Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by selecting Photos app and selecting one of those options, like a library. Now tap on one of your folders and simply hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple, tap on those type of dots at the top right corners. You can always exclude some of your photos by tapping on the ones that you wish to keep. To delete the rest, select this bin at the top right corner next to the shopping cart. Lastly, hit OK in moving items to bin pop-up and hit Move to Bin at the bottom. If you wish to select Photos section instead, hold one of your pictures as well. Tap on those dots at the top right corners, but this time tap on Delete option at the bottom and confirm your choice in the same kind of pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!